Hello kids! Welcome back to Spoken English for Kids. Today we'll learn a beautiful English sentence about our good daily habit. Listen carefully. I recite the Holy Quran every day. Now repeat after me. I recite the Holy Quran every day. Excellent! Let's say it slowly. I recite the Holy Quran. The Holy Quran. Every day. Now all together. I recite the Holy Quran every day. This means I read the Quran daily. It's a very good habit and helps us learn and stay close to Allah. For example, I recite the Holy Quran every day before going to school. That's a wonderful practice. Keep learning good English sentences and good habits every day. See you in the next video.